Very good evening to all of you students. Beta, we have already started with the elements, compound and mixture. We did characteristic, and last class we did just separation, and we did very first separation that was of solid and solid. So how to separate solid. So beta, we are going to use what? Magnet for one is magnetic and another is non-magnetic. Then sublimation, one will be sublimentary and another one will be what? Non-sublimentary. And then beta using suitable solvent in what will happen? Two solid will be there. One solid will be soluble in a particular solvent, whereas the other will not. Okay. So this we have done, but quickly I'll just show you beta how we do it. Okay. And crystallization. So look, magnetic we have done or not? Tell me beta.
Yes.
So look beta, here we did all animation and all, and I showed you this technique separation. Come on, bro. Look, we took what? Sulfur. Then then iron filings. So what will happen beta? This two will, if I bring magnet, then oh look, iron will get separated. Clear hai? So this is magnetic separation, very easy. Where do we use this beta? We use this whenever in big industry wherein you have to remove all the magnetic scrap from the kachra and all, from the industry. Electromagnet is used, right? It is also used by a doctor if there is some iron particle has entered into your eye. So they use this electromagnet. Yeah. Then beta separation by sublimation. Sublimation beta, I taught you this technique or not? We first take what? Come on. We take sublimentary substance in a dish, then we heat it. Right, beta? Okay, what are the supplementary substance? We did all these example, ammonium chloride, camphor, वो पूजा में यूज करते हैं ना कपूर, पता है क्या नहीं? हाँ, solid carbon dioxide, iodine, right, beta? Naphthalene, yeah, very good. So beta, we take a container. Okay, in this we take a mixture of ammonium chloride and NaCl. Who is supplementary in this? Ammonium
Chloride.
Then beta will keep a funnel, inverted funnel, and at the top of the funnel there will be what beta? Glass. There will be plug, cotton plug, and then we heat it. Come on, let us heat it, bro. Look beta, there is a cotton plug, right? Because what will the cotton plug will do? It will prevent the loss of ammonium chloride, right? Then we heat it. Oh, we heat it. Yeah. So can you see this ammonium chloride will form vapors, but will NaCl form vapors?
No.
Okay, so ammonium chloride will form vapors and it will go at the top. So who will cool it from outside? Air. And it will again condense on the surface. Clear? Yeah, inner surface of the funnel, and that is nothing. China dish because it is China. That is. Acha. Now, beta, next was what? Suitable solvent. Hey, look, I have taken water and I am going to take salt. Salt will dissolve in water or not? Tell me, beta. Very good. And if I take sand, will sand dissolve in water? Yeah. So, yeah. So now I will stir it. चलो हिलाते हैं आ जाओ चलो स्टर करते हैं बेटा आ जाओ तो कौन गायब हो जाएगा सॉल्ट हाँ बट सैंड इज डिसॉल्व नो ना so what I'll do now I'll filter it so who will pass through the water like filter paper salt through the filter paper so we call it as what filtrate now look I'll put it on the filter so what will remain on the filter paper sand figure that is residue and what will pass through the filter paper salt but I want to separate salt so what I'll do that salt solution I will heat it or I'll keep it in the sun for evaporation right now outside okay are you getting it dear hello evaporate and you'll get the salt any difficulty till here carbon and sulfur sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide okay beta look solvent uses what beta both are insoluble in water so we use what carbon disulfide so who will be soluble in carbon disulfide only the sulfur carbon dissolve होएगा क्या no okay so what we are going to do filtration so on filter paper who will remain insoluble carbon who will pass through the filter paper sulfur which is dissolved in carbon disulfide what oxide if you heat this solution carbon disulfide will evaporate and what will remain in it beta sulfur look So this was the separation which we did. Remember, beta, crystallization, beta. You know, na, beta, crystallization. Okay. We take a salt, we prepare a hot saturated solution of it, and then we suddenly cool it. So once we cool it, the excess solute which is dissolved, it will come out in the form of crystal. And this is known as crystallization. देख इसका मैं hot saturated solution बनाएगा, दिखाई दे रहा है. फिर इसको मैं cool करूंगा. If I blue vitriol, I will prepare hot saturated solution and heat it, and then I will cool it. Cool करने पे क्या होगा? I will cool it slowly. Once I will cool it slowly, on the surface you will get this type of crystals, and this process is known as crystal. Slowly we have to cool up. If you don't cool slowly, you won't get crystal. Right, beta? And this crystal, beta, you can get this crystal, you can dry it and filter it and dry it. CuSO4.5. So this is the first we prepare hot saturated solution, then we cool it. You get crystal and then you filter it. So on the surface you will get crystal and then you dry it. Okay. Acha, now today we are going to start with this part, solid and liquid. So look, today last class we did all this technique for only solid, beta. Okay, we did sublimation, magnetic separation, solvent extraction, and then we did fractional crystallization. In fractional crystallization, which crystal will come out first? The one which is less soluble. Clear? The one which is less clear. All this technique also we did, and I give you example for this, beta. Can you see? But for this we did. Can you see this? We did the naming for all this. Magnetic separation we did. Then beta, this solvent extraction we did. On the filter paper there is carbon. What is there? Sulfur. Beta, who is more soluble? KNO3. Who is less soluble? Potassium chlorate. So who will crystallize first?
Soluble solid A, it's A written there, but when you see above soluble solid A, more soluble in solid.
No, beta, what you have to do, beta, but what you do on filter? Yeah. That is, in textbook it is given wrong. Yeah, textbook it is given wrong, but beta, you understood the logic. Who will remain on the filter paper? The more soluble. Okay? Yeah, in fractional crystallization you are talking about. In fractional crystallization, beta, who will crystallize out first? Less soluble. So it is given proper, beta. B only. It is given proper, B only.
But there are less solid A.
Oh, so this is wrong, beta. Okay, yeah, that is fine. But they will ask who is more soluble and less soluble. KNO3 is more soluble and potassium chlorate is less soluble. Who is Dikshit? Dikshit करके कोई है इसमें? Okay, anyways. No, some girl was there. Dikshit. चलो बेटा आ जाते बेटा. Now let's go to the next part. Hello. Yeah. Hey, we are going to do now solid and liquid. Solid and liquid, how we are going to separate, beta? First is filtration. Second is
sedimentation.
Third is
Evaporation.
and fourth is
Distillation.
बेटा ये बहुत सिंपल है. फिल्ट्रेशन में क्या filtration is very easy. One will be solid, will be insoluble, and liquid is water. So solid will remain insoluble. I am taking chalk powder. Beta, chalk powder is insoluble in water or not? Calcium carbonate. And water. What I'll do? I will add them, mix it, and I'll filter. तो filter paper पे कौन रह जाएगा? Calcium carbonate. अरे वो filter paper पे ही रहेगा ना बेटा? Are you getting it or not? Insoluble will remain on the filter paper or not? Tell me. चलो बेटा, I'll show you. Solid and liquid. And first is filtration, then is centrifugation, evaporation, crystallization, chromatography, distillation, filtration. Solid and liquid using filter. Oh, what I'm going to use here. Hey, look here. Hey, mud and water, I can separate that way or not? Tell me, beta.
Yes.
Okay, for filtration, you take a stand, then you take a funnel. Funnel पे क्या चिपकाने का? this girl here.
Me, girl. Yeah.
What's your name, dear?
Priyangi.
Samaira, beta. Myra. Myra, beta, please pay attention here. Okay. Hello. This filter paper. We have to wet it and keep it. Can you see? अरे देख ना बेबी है यहाँ जो फिल्टर पेपर लगा रहे देख वहां पे देख ओ muddy water we are going to take. So what will pass through the filter paper? Water. Yeah. And what? Hello, pure water will come out. And yeah. Are mud will remain here, na? Pure water will come here or not? Tell me. Yeah, are beta. Hey, on filter paper, beta, there is what? Residue, mud. Yeah, mud, you are mud here. Okay, and then here it is water. Okay. I hope all of you are getting it. Clear?
Yes.
Chalo. So this is residue, insoluble substance. In exam, they will ask what is residue insoluble. Yeah, nice quality call, na beta. Yeah, and pay attention. Okay, filtrate. It is water. He is checking. Chalo. A clear solution is what? Filtrate. In MCQ, they will ask what is the clear? What is the name of the clear solution? Filtrate. Now, अच्छा, where do we use this in our day-to-day life? We use ना बेटा चाय बनाते तो ऐसा पोर करते तो चाय पत्ती ऊपर रह जाता है कि नहीं बोलो उसके पे राइट ना बेटा या ये देखिए चाय छन्नी 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 tea leaves are separated or not? Tell me. Yeah. Then this purifier में बेटा there is a filter attached. Yeah. Home filters. अच्छा. Yeah. Bas. Yeah. Okay. Then sedimentation. This is very sedimentation. Mein what will happen? You take beta sand and water. Then you mix it and you just keep it for 5 minutes. So who is heavy? So it will settle down. And above one will be what? Your pure water. Yeah, how will you separate that pure water? ऐसा इसको you know what will do the beaker को ऐसा tilt करने का. That process is known as decantation. Decantation. Decant मतलब अरे look at it. I added here all my sand is here or not maybe sand particle is here. I want this pure water. So how I'm going to separate this? Look. Just you will tilt it slowly, slightly. And then till where this process of tilting the soluble and this process of mixing this mixture, okay, slowly and just we have to be careful, till where will tilt is till this entire water goes away. But when the moment this sand will come, you will stop. This process is known as decantation. Decant. ये टिल्टिंग को डिकेंटेशन बोलते हैं और प्रोसेस का नाम क्या है बोलो बेटा सेडिमेंटेशन यहाँ पे हो रहा है ये स्टेप पे क्या है in this listen there is a lot of difference the process in which the sand settles down that is known as sedimentation and the process in which we are tilting the mixture and separating water and being careful that sand should not come out. That process is called as decantation. Clear? Okay. Now evaporation. This we can do where? Beta, if you go to any how do we get salt, beta? Salt we eat, which we eat from sea. टाटा नमक लेकिन वो कैसे करते पता है क्या if you in sea waters whenever this back water comes they make a big they collect this water and they keep it for drying in presence of sunlight. It means we are doing evaporation, so water will evaporate and what will remain behind? Salt. क्या है
Centrifugation.
No, centrifugation बाद में. Hey, evaporation I am teaching you. Hey, evaporation में what we are going to do? Yeah. I got cold, right? Hey. Yes. What is going on here? Is Holi is going on here? What? This, okay. Yeah, you are only spoiling this thing here. Okay. Hello, girls. Yeah. Bye. Please. Now. Hey, this boy here. That's enough. All of you pay attention here. I have taken water. In this water, what I am going to add? Salt. Look here. Salt I am adding. Pay attention here. All of you. एक सॉल्ट अंदर डाला. ओके, अब वो सॉल्ट क्या हो जाएगा? डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा ना. सॉल्ट इज सॉल्युबल इन वाटर और नॉट? टेल मी. स्टर इट. स्टर करेंगे. ये छोटा सा ऐसा स्टर करेगा, देख वो गायब हो जाएगा. अभी अंदर डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा. लोग गायब हो गया कि नहीं? नाउ अगेन आई वांट टू रीजनरेट इट. सो व्हाट आई विल डू? हाई हीट इट और कीप इट इन इवेपोरेटिंग डिश. Why? Because we will not directly heat this. First, we will heat sand, and on sand, we'll keep this container. So, because, yeah. So that the evaporation can take place at a constant speed. Look here. Then I'm adding this to it. अरे आएगा ना, रुक जाना. देख अब इसको हीट करेंगे. हीट करेंगे. देखिए व्हाट इज इवेपोरेटिंग? वाटर. And what will remain? Oh, salt. Salt. End हो गया. Yeah.
तो टेक्निकली अगर नंबर इसको ऐसे करते जाओगे तो मल्टीप्लाई होते जाएगा, मतलब इनफाइनाइट नंबर से नंबर का सोच.
नहीं. हाँ बोलो. पानी ग्रे नहीं. ठीक है, बस पानी कोई ग्रे नहीं है. या क्रिस्टलाइजेशन इज बेटर टेक्निक देन इवेपोरेशन टू ड्राइनेस. नाउ इवेपोरेशन से बेस्ट टेक्निक क्या है? एग्जाम में बेटा ये 2 बार आएगा बेटा. सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. लिसन, सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. ओके, तो it can be separated by 2 ways. One is evaporation and one is crystal. हाँ बोलो.
उसमें मैंने डाला था हिडन के लिए, उसके साइड्स पर सब सॉल्ट चिपक गया.
Excuse me. Now distillation. Hey, what is distillation? Do you know anyone? What we do, beta, we can prepare a solution. Listen. Water will be there, and in the water, suppose there is some impurity. So, yeah. Alum also, but that is different. That is precipitation. We don't coagulation we will use. But what we do, beta? Acha, I have water. Listen, baby. I have water. Inside there are dissolved impurities. So how you are going to separate pure water from this? Acha, I'll start heating. If water boils at what temperature? 100 degree. So from that solution at 100 degree, which particle will come out? Only water vapor. Other impurities will come out. So acha, then these vapors will go up, and then we will cool this vapor on the other side. We will cool this vapor on the. So what will happen? That pure water vapor will again get converted into liquid, and this process is known as. So in distillation, what we do, we heat the liquid to its boiling point. We heat the liquid. Water का boiling point कितना है? 100 degree. So look, I'll show you. Look, beta, I have lead nitrate. Okay, it is a dissolved impurity in water, and I have taken water. So what we are going to do, beta? This arrangement I'll show you, beta. This entire arrangement is known as distillation. So I'll show you how to do distillation. Look, beta, this is the arrangement. First we take what? No, we take round bottom flask. Then beta, then temperature to measure the thermometer. Okay. Then beta, we take this. Hey, what is the name of this condenser? Liebig's condenser. They will ask this in exam. Liebig. Liebig. This is the name of the scientist. Liebig condenser. Which condenser? Liebig's. Liebig's condenser. Liebig's. Wait. I'll give you the name. Arey aaja bhai. Okay. Then beta, what we are going to do? Hey, in this I have taken water. And in this water, what is there? Impurity. Impurity is also there. Dissolved impurity. Dissolved impurity. Then I will start heating slowly. Add impure water. Hey, shut your mouth. Wait, बर्नर अभी आएगा ना, धीरे धीरे हीट देगा आया. अच्छा, बर्नर आया. अच्छा, ये बर्नर में भी वाटर, जैसे यहाँ पे 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर रीच होगा तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, वेपर्स आएगा कि नहीं. नाउ दिस वेपर विल एंटर इन दिस साइड. आर यू गेटिंग इट? अच्छा, लिबिक कंडेंसर में व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, यहां से मैं ना लिसन फर्स्ट, आई एम एडिंग वाटर फ्रॉम टैप. वाटर विल एंटर हियर. इट इज लाइक द रिफिल ऑफ अ पेन. देखो ये तुम्हारा रिफिल और ये एम्प्टी स्पेस है. ये वाटर विल मूव अराउंड दिस. इट विल मूव. इसके अंदर नहीं जाएगा, इसके ऐसे ऐसा गोल गोल घूम रहा है बेटा वाटर. आर यू गेटिंग? यहां से एंटर करता है और यहां से बाहर चला जाएगा. मतलब इट विल गिव कूलिंग इफेक्ट. इट विल गिव व्हाट? तो इसका यहाँ से हॉट वेपर आ रहा था कि नहीं. ये हॉट वेपर को वो कूल करेगा. कूल करेगा तो वापस लिक्विड मिलेगा कहीं. या बेटा वेपर सिस्टम यूनिफॉर्मली आता है ना बेटा, तो यू हैव टू कूल इट इन अ प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. ओके, लुक बेटा, आई शो यू हाउ इट विल कम. No, they don't have to keep care. Look, hey, be careful while heating. Look बेटा, what will happen? अरे यार, look, I heating now. Slowly vapors आ रहा है, देख रहा है? Vapors are going. Can you see? यहाँ पे कंडेंस होगा. ये देख, अभी कंडेंस होके पानी बन रहा है. दिखाई दे रहा है कि नहीं? ये देख, अरे स्लोली स्लोली ऐसा. Slowly. Clear? Slowly, slow. Hey. If I'll come there, there will be a lot of problems. Okay, enough. Please, beta. Okay, so this is how beta I'm explaining everything to write in detail, maybe with animation. So please pay attention here. Then in exam they will ask you what is the name of this container, this apparatus, Liebig's condenser. Here what will get pure liquid. This is your impure liquid. This is your thermometer. Okay, pure water will be the water evaporates and water condenses in the condenser. Solid impurities will remain here. Can you see all impurities? अरे पूरा पानी चला गया कि नहीं? देखना, फिर impurities ही रहेगा ना यहाँ पर. The impurities are here and pure water is here. So we have separated. We have separated. And clear. Okay. So this is solid and liquid we are separating. What we are separating? Solid and liquid. So beta, this is distillation beta. So lead nitrate where it will remain in the flask. And here what will be there? Pure water. Okay, what is the name of this instrument? Liebig's condenser. Which condenser? Liebig's condenser. Liebig's. Now beta we go to the ये देख नाम दिया ना, देखना Liebig's condenser. LEIBG Liebig's condenser. No LEI. अच्छा वो बेटा फटाफट लिख दिया रहेगा. LEI आता है. Okay, it's okay. Still. Okay, my bad. Hi, hello. सो गए क्या बेटा? Yeah. Now listen, all of you. One more thing I wanted to show you here, which they have not shown here. We are doing solid and liquid, ना बेटा? अभी आपको पता है बेटा, मिल्क के अंदर बेटा क्रीम होता है, पता है ना, मलाई बोलते हैं. हाँ, तो उसको हम लोग कैसे सेपरेट कर सकते हैं?
उसको गोल गोल घुमा के.
हाँ, उसको कहते हैं सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन. क्या प्रोसेस का नाम होता है बोलो बेटा? तुम्हारा ब्लड है ना बेटा, ब्लड के अंदर दो चीज होता है. एक तो रेड पार्ट होता है प्लेटलेट्स, और एक येलो लिक्विड होता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? प्लाज्मा. वो दोनों को सेपरेट कैसे करते हैं पता है? व्हेन यू गो फॉर सम ब्लड टेस्ट दे डू दैट. For that they use what beta? Centrifugation machine. हाँ
मशीन में भी होता है
हाँ हाँ
पानी ड्रेन करते फिर ऐसे गोल गोल
हाँ गोल गोल हो गया हाँ। तो मैं बता रहा हूँ ये देख ऐसा होता है ए centrifugation no centrifugation is used to separate cream from milk दिखाई दे रहा है इसमें बेटा मिल्क होगा यहाँ पे भी मिल्क होगा और ये दोनों गोल गोल घूमेगा तो बेटा देयर इज अ सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स वो क्या करेगा क्रीम को पूरा मलाई को एक अलग कर देगा और ऊपर सिर्फ पानी रहेगा I'll show you ना बेबी वेट centrifugation oh yeah it is the method of separating beta suspended particle from a substance from liquid and which is rotated. Hey beta, whenever anything rotates beta, the force is acted at the center. That force is known as centrifugal force. फिजिक्स में आप पढ़ोगे बेटा वो पत्थर ऐसा गोल गोल घुमाएगा तो हाँ बस बहुत अच्छी बात है तो बेटा डेंसर पार्टिकल नीचे जाएगा और ऊपर लिक्विड रहेगा बेटा ये देख बेटा ऐसा होता है सेंट्रिफिकेशन सेपरेशन ऑफ क्रीम फ्रॉम मिल्क देख ये आप लोग वो गांव में ऐसा हाँ लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होगा वो हम लोग अलग करेंगे ये देख ऐसा ये देख ये मशीन होता है उसमें बेटा हम लोग ऐसा गोल गोल घुमाएंगे ना तो सुनो ए दिस मिल्क पार्टिकल विल सेटल बिलो क्रीम विल सेटल बिलो और ऊपर कौन रहेगा पानी रैपिड रोटेटिंग होता है बेटा देख ऐसा ब्लड का देख नीचे प्लेटलेट सेपरेट हो गया कि नहीं ऊपर येलो येलो लिक्विड को क्या कहते हैं प्लाज्मा प्लाज्मा हाँ बहुत तेज घूमता है तुमको कैसा घूमता है दिखाओ मी बताते ना बेटा Okay, look, I am showing you this Chacha will explain you everything. Chacha will come here and explain everything. Bas, enough.
When a liquid contains suspended material is allowed to stand for some time,
Okay, shut your mouth. Look, मैं आगे करता हूँ डायरेक्ट
centrifuge.
हाँ
Let us
look
conduct an experiment with decentrifugation. For this, we need a handy centrifuge
Look.
machine, muddy water, mixture of calcium carbonate.
both
and
are
water,
repeated huh? Now
and
look
four centrifuge test tubes.
these are
Take the
centrifuge
sample of
tube
muddy water and place the
Look.
test tubes in the centrifuge machine.
Good. And I'll put that milky water also in that okay
Now take the calcium hydroxide mixture in the test tubes and also place them in the centrifuge machine.
अब देख वो ऐसा गोल गोल घूमेगा देखिए मशीन है सेंट्रिफ्यूज I'll show you बेटा wait look इवन नंबर होना चाहिए देख अभी देख ऐसा अभी देख इसको घुमाएगा देख ये देख रहा है ओ हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट देख अभी नहीं जरूरत नहीं होता ढक्कन का इसको सेंट्रिफ्यूगल फोर्स है ना अभी देख नीचे पूरा वो क्रीम आ जाएगा ऊपर पानी रहेगा देख या मिट्टी नीचे आ जाएगा ऊपर पानी रहेगा ये देख रहा है अभी और आएगा वेट अभी वो वाला लेते व्हाइट वाला जो लिया था ना बेटा लोग ये देख ये देख नीचे व्हाइट व्हाइट क्रीम ऊपर और हाँ अरे व्हाइट पाउडर लिया था ना मिल्क वाला तो हाँ ये एकदम प्योर है हो गया
Away from the center, which holds
okay have you understood this so this was all about your centrifugal heat implies centrifugal force देखिए ये गोल गोल घूम रहा था ऐसा दिख रहा है कि नहीं right cream from milk we can separate by this method so beta which method we have done now no okay solid and liquid separation we have done do beta we are doing methods of separation first what we did beta solid mixtures beta यहाँ पे आ जाओ hey first we did solid in solid में what we did sublimation hey pay attention यार this boy यार the magnetic separation solvent extraction we did last class and fractional crystallization we did last class today what we did filtration then what we did then eva then disti and one more I showed for solid and liquid beta one more we did was milk and cream centrifugation now beta what we are going to do here liquid here liquid two liquid I have to separate then beta what I am going to use beta there are various techniques first is separating funnel किसके लिए हम लोग करेंगे for two immiscible liquid what do you mean by word immiscible because if I mix these two liquid beta you will not see single phase you will see two phase अच्छा बेटा मैंने listen I'll take one glass empty glass in that I'll add water and then if I add oil will the two mix
No.
where water will remain where water down and at the top yeah so I will get two different layers or not tell me so if I want to separate what I'll do I'll use a separating funnel in separating funnel beta we have different arrangement what type of arrangement is there you know beta there is a tab below look like this Acha, in this separating funnel, what I've added oil and water. So where will be my oil? Where will be my water? Water will be at lower level. And where will be my oil? Upper level. तो बेटा अभी मेरे को सेपरेट करने का तो ओपन द टैप फ्रॉम हियर तो यहाँ से पूरा पानी जाएगा वैसे बंद कर दो तो ऊपर कौन होगा ऑयल और यहाँ पे कौन आएगा वॉचर राइट बेटा या immiscible lighter oil will be at the top water अच्छा इसमें पूछते हैं what principle we use here difference in density higher density will remain below lighter density will remain at the top clear I will show you ये देखिए तुम्हारा वॉशिंग मशीन में भी सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन होता है हाँ बरोबर बोला बेटा तो मैंने कहा डिनाई किया इवेपोरेशन we did distillation we did बेटा हाँ दिस इज सेपरेटिंग वन आ गया दोस्त को देखो आ गया देखो वो आ गया okay now we are going to I'm recording this but it will be there on your this thing YouTube okay huh Are I am recording and I am uploading in the group. So I'm telling. I'm not. This girl here. This pay attention here. Malhotra here only. Pay attention here. Liquid and liquid. We are going to do. This girl here, baby here. Liquid and liquid. First method is which one, beta? Liquid can be two. What do you mean by miscible and immiscible? Immiscible means two liquid will not dissolve in each other. For solid liquid we use word soluble, but for liquid we use अरे नमक को पानी में डालता है तो डिसॉल्व हो जाता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या वर्ड यूज करते हैं सोल्यूबल बट टू लिक्विड के लिए सोल्यूबल लिक्विड नहीं बोलते हैं मिसिबल एंड इमिसिबल मिसिबल मींस सोल्यूबल लिक्विड इमिसिबल मींस इनसोल्यूबल लिक्विड ओके ऑयल एंड वाटर तो इमिसिबल के लिए व्हिच मेथड वी विल यूज सेपरेटिंग फनल व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज सेपरेटिंग लो बेटा इमिसिबल लिक्विड यूज सेपरेट ऐसा होता है देख नीचे टैप है कि नहीं या
Can you tell us about fractional crystallization?
Arey, I have not yet taught that, beta. Hey, few fractional crystallization I thought. The one which is less soluble will crystallize out first. What were you doing when I was explaining that? KNO3 and potassium chloride. Potassium chloride is less soluble. It will form crystal first. Okay? चलो यहाँ पे देखो बेटा, इसमें हम लोग क्या भरेने का बेटा, ये देख, ऑयल एंड वाटर, क्लोरोफॉर्म एंड वाटर, केरोसिन एंड वाटर, ऑल दिस विल फॉर्म अपर लेयर. आर यू गेटिंग इट? अच्छा, मिसिबल होगा तो मिसिबल मीन्स आपने उन्हें देखा रहेगा मूवीज में, you take a glass, you take an ice cube, then you add alcohol and then water, but that solution is soluble. That substance is by itself. No, water means it will be uniform. Ice and water, beta, but that is when we are taking two different conditions. Na? We are adding ice into it. Na? So for later on I'll teach you how to do that, beta. You are doing the reverse way you do it. And you have to and both the should be in aligned. वो आप लोग ने अलाइनमेंट नहीं किया इसके लिए. एनीवेज, फिलहाल अभी आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है. हेलो, liquid with mixed with each other, they are called as miscible. They are called as miscible. गोयल बेटा, आर यू गेटिंग इट राइट? miscible के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? डिस्टिलेशन एंड फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन. I'll teach you बेटा फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन. चलो बेटा, टू इमिसिबल लिक्विड, ये देख सेपरेटिंग फनल है. इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे बेटा? I'll देख इसमें स्टॉप कॉक होता है. व्हाट आई एम एडिंग फ्रॉम द टॉप, लुक. अरे देख नहीं रहे तुम लोग. स्टॉप कॉक एंड देन व्हाट, ऑयल एंड वाटर आई एम एडिंग इनटू दिस. But they don't mix na. So which one will form lower level? Mixture of water. Look here. ये देख, slowly नीचे क्या होगा बेटा? यहाँ पे वाटर जमा हो जाएगा कि नहीं? Allow it to stand. After some time, what will happen? ये देख, after some time, what will happen? Oil will be up and water will be below or not? देख, दिखा कि नहीं? इमीडिएटली भी हो जाएगा, लेकिन कभी कभी हम लोगों ने मिक्स करके रखा है तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, इसलिए वी हैव टू वेट. अब किसको निकालने का है बाहर? पानी को. तो नीचे का टैप ओपन करो, लोअर टैप यू ओपन इट, व्हाट विल कम आउट फर्स्ट? पानी. ये कहाँ जाएगा? विच लिक्विड इज एट द टॉप? एमसीक्यू में आएगा. ये डायग्राम दिया रहेगा. अबव वन इज लो डेंसिटी, बिलो वन इज हाई डेंसिटी. अबव वन इज लाइटर, बिलो वन इज हेवियर. अच्छा, अभी बेटा भी आ जाते हैं. ओपन द टैप.
Well, basically we have to remove the stop cock.
Stop cock remove. Open करते हैं. Baby will open this. What will happen? देख पानी नीचे गया और ऑयल जैसे बंद.
So I need another cock.
और ऑयल यहाँ पे आ गया and water will be here. Are you getting it? हो गया. 1, 2, 3. ले. What's going on? Got it. चलो बेटा. Now application कहाँ पे होता है बेटा इसका? नहीं, this is different बेटा. No. Chromatography will do later on. I want to now teach you fractional distillation. Fractional distillation. If I have two liquids, miscible liquid. देखो बेटा, अभी मैंने आपको कौन सा बताया? लिक्विड एंड लिक्विड में सेपरेटिंग. अभी मैं क्या बताने वाला हूँ? फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन. In fractional distillation, beta, we have two liquid. Alcohol is soluble in water or not? Tell me. But listen. A boiling point of water is how much? 100 degree. And alcohol का boiling point is low. अब बेटा both are soluble. So how to separate them? अच्छा बेटा, what we are going to do? Same arrangement, whatever we did for distillation, same arrangement we'll do for this also.
water tank उसमें वो आया
Same arrangement. Listen, this is very important. Okay. Now, beta, I have taken liquid here. A. I have imagine beta, I have two liquid X and Y. X ka boiling point is let us say 80 degree. Y ka is 100 degree. Beta, when you heat it, dear, tell me who will come out first? Which one will come out first? Low boiling point or high boiling point? Low boiling. Please, what is the principle of fractional distillation? The liquid with low boiling point will form vapor first. Okay, and then it will enter into this. Then beta, I'll collect which liquid I'll get? The one with 80 degree. After 30 minutes, after 10-15 minutes, whose vapors will come out? Y wala aega, 100 degree wala. So are we removing them together? पहले आया लो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट वाला आएगा, उसको अलग कर दो. 10-15 मिनट के बाद कौन आएगा? हाई बॉइलिंग. Are we separating them both together or in fractions? In fractions we are removing. Therefore, the name of the method is fractional distillation. रुक जा बटाटे. Yeah. Oil we do separating panel. This is for miscible liquid. Oil and water was immiscible. Okay. Pay attention. Wait. Raja Daksha, please pay attention. ये देख बेटा. Yeah, that is how you pronounce. Okay. Yeah. This is what. Yeah. This is the miscible liquid. This is fractionating column. Why we use fractionating column, beta? It will facilitate the separation. It will allow the liquid to travel, vapors to travel more. So the mixing of two liquid is prevented. Mixing of two vapors is prevented. Keep your phone inside and beta, pay attention here. And so on. Next time onwards, any phone is outside. Hey, then will be a big problem. Again, beta, look, temperature thermometer is there. Then again, what is the name of this condenser? Liebig's. Liebig's. Leibig. अच्छा ये when I will heat, which liquid will form the vapors? The lower one or higher? Very good. Boiling point. Lower boiling point will form vapor first. Okay. Listen, बेटा यहाँ पे देख. ये देख यहाँ पे देखो ना बेटा, पहला कौन आएगा? हाँ, वो ठीक है बेटा. यहाँ पे जो लिक्विड आए लोअर बॉइलिंग वाला आएगा. फर्स्ट हु विल कम? लोअर बॉइलिंग. देन बेटा I'll separate. First is what beta? First fraction is more volatile, means lower boiling wala. Then after 10-15 minutes, which one will come? Higher boiling. And this method is known as fractional distillation. Okay, beta, fractional distillation. I'll show you beta. Here it is, fractional distillation. Can you see? Alcohol and water is separated by fractional distillation. When alcohol and water, if I'll take first, who will come out? Alcohol. Then who will come out? Water. Hey, what is this chromatography? हाँ, ये तुम्हारा ये जो बॉल पेन आप यूज करते हो, ink is a mixture of different dyes. Ink is a mixture of different dyes. Do you know that? हाँ, different mixture. Dyes means chemical. Color होता है ना, मेहंदी एक डाई हो गया, हल्दी डाई हो गया यार. Yeah. So what we are going to do in this, I'll show you. Wait. Everything I'll teach you bit. Beta, hey, chromatography में देख, first we take paper. Hey, you can do this at your home also, beta. Listen. Why don't you all just shut your mouth? Look, beta, we take thin paper, filter paper. Then we draw a line. Let us draw a line. एक line बना दिया. फिर हाँ, अभी देख एक marker I am taking. Look here. टेक अ मार्कर और अ पेंसिल और अ पेन का ड्रॉप, इंक लेने का, इंक यहाँ पे लेके इंक का ड्रॉप आया, देखा इंक है और नया टाइप का इंक है। अब बेटा इसको क्या करने का, पानी में रख देने का। नहीं, ऐसे उठाया पेपर में और इसको पानी कहां तक भरोगे, टिल दिस लाइन, टिल दिस। चलो आज आप भरो पानी, देख वहां तक लाइन तक भरा। बोलो ना। अब धीरे धीरे ये फिल्टर पेपर पानी को एब्जॉर्ब करेगा तो ऊपर जाएगा कि नहीं, अरे दिस वाटर विल गो अप और नॉट। बट ये जो डाई है बेटा, इसके अंदर के जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स है ना, वो लोग भी ऊपर ट्रेवल करेंगे, देखो ऐसा मिलेगा आफ्टर सम टाइम। ये देख, एंड स्लोली स्लोली दिस कलर विल ट्रेवल, ये देख ऐसा ट्रेवल होते जाएगा ऐसा। हाँ तो ये, हाँ तो कलर बदलता है, ऐसे 3 अलग अलग कंपोनेंट आपको नजर आएंगे। आई विल शो यू, वेट बेटा, वेट।
RGB होता है, RGB Alex RCB. She proud RCB है ना.
This is very nice. I'll show you.
Our topic for today is chromatography.
Pay attention here. Shut your mouth and pay attention here.
Oh, please take my cup.
Please, get me the schedule. Does black ink consist of only black color or any other color as well? Let us find out by the process of paper chromatography.
Sure. This is filter paper.
Chromatography is a technique of separating 2 or more dissolved solids, which are present in a solution in very small quantities.
Wake up. Wake up. Please come here.
Yes.
Please, wake him up. Do something.
देख क्या बनाने का, देख ऐसा मार्क बनाने का फिल्टर पेपर।
Please, call the barber. Please, wake him up.
इंक है वो, इंक वहां पे डाला है।
Put a small drop of ink on the center of the line.
Look. बस
Let it dry for some time.
Mr. Smart. Call Mr. Smart. Please, wake him up.
ये वाटर में डालेंगे अभी इसको।
Take a jar containing some water.
देख ऐसे टच कर दे।
Put the filter paper in it, such that the drop of ink is just above the water level.
Water will slowly go up.
Starts gradually rising up by capillary action. The water moves up and takes the dyes present in the ink along with it.
Wait, can you see the color? Can you see?
As the water rises up, we see different colors on paper.
Different
These
colors.
are different dyes present in the ink. Different dyes have different solubility levels and travel at different speeds as the water rises up. As a result, we see different
same
colored
link.
strips at different
Hello.
rates.
Same
and the
होगा,
process
same.
is separated.
Link will be one and the same. I will resend it. ठीक है ना? मैं भेज रहा हूँ, अभी भेजता हूँ।
Paper chromatography is used to separate the different colors in a dye.
Acha beta, that ink was made up of different components. Okay. Yeah, देख ये दिख रहा है अच्छा, where we use this chromatography beta, you know, we use in forensic sign, okay, separation. Acha, it was just like fun beta. Okay. So this was all. So beta, we have done, look beta, we did all the separation techniques. Clear? Next class beta, what I want you all to do. Hey, listen all of you. You will be bring both the worksheet. Okay. And in this remaining, one more worksheet was there beta. You are going, look, we have done centrifugation, this, everything. You will bring other worksheet also, both the worksheet, both, now entire worksheet, both worksheet you will solve and bring it. Yeah, and next class I am going to discuss that in the class. That other worksheet also, beta. Okay, yeah, that is the homework.
Second worksheet, can I get an answer?
You're lost. Okay, I'll give it to you, beta.